If you're looking to spread some joy to the little ones today, I have got the perfect treat in store for you. This dessert combines every kid's two favorite treats, chocolate chip cookies and brownies, only it comes delivered in one delicious handheld treat. Now at first glance, Brookies may appear deceptively difficult to make because there are two separate doughs, but I have figured out the absolute easiest route to slam out this dessert, and it still yields perfectly chewy, chocolatey results. Could we just pull some cookies out of a package and call it a day? Totally. But moms, taking the time to make something special for those kids is a really sweet way to say I love you. So let's love on these babies, shall we? Time to make some Brookies. Now these Brookies take about 15 minutes to prep, 25 minutes in the oven, and about 20 minutes to cool. The kids are going to be home from school in 1 hour, so we've got to get started. You'll need only one bowl for the brownie batter and only one bowl for the chocolate chip cookie batter. We're gonna kick things off with my all-time favorite, the brownie layer. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, a half cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt. Make a little well in the center, and then you're going to add 2/3 cup of unsalted butter, melted, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Just use a handheld mixer on medium to medium-high speed to get this mixture really good and well combined. Add in those chocolate chips and mix one more time. Transfer the brownie batter to a greased 9 by 13 inch baking dish and gently pat it across the bottom until it reaches the edges of the pan. And in the second bowl, we're gonna whip up our chocolate chip cookie dough. For the cookie layer, in a large mixing bowl, you're gonna whisk together 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, a half cup of granulated sugar, a 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of fine sea salt. Now you'll just make a little well in the center and add a half cup of unsalted butter, melted, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and mix it up. Add in 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and mix one more time. Transfer big scoops of cookie dough and plop them right there on top of that brownie batter. Now gently pat that cookie dough out until it covers the surface of the brownie layer. I don't pat the cookie dough all the way out to the edges. I like to leave just a little bit of that brownie layer poking through. Bake your Brookies in a preheated 350-degree oven, 25 minutes for a gooey center and about 30 minutes for a center that's a bit more well done. If you're looking for more yummy desserts to add to your baking repertoire, be sure to check out my list of delicious handheld desserts the entire family will love.